button, but let me just make a big button. It's kind of ugly, but you guys get the gist. And that's how you do it. And then all I do, I press publish. All right, there we go. All right, so this is our page. Hey everyone, welcome back to CDM Suite. So I was trying to build a website. I'm on 000 Web Host. You see, it's a free web hosting platform. You can start from $0 all the way up to $3.99 a month. You can check out these plans. It'll be in the link in the description below. So sign up. Once I'm on the sign up page, you can sign up with your email password, your password, you know, the usual, or you can go ahead and sign up with Google or Facebook. So I'm just gonna okay, so it's gonna load. Once it's loaded, we're gonna go ahead and create some magic, guys. All right, what should I build today? Should I build a blog? Should I build a store? Should I build probably just a regular business page? I'm not sure. What do you guys think? So I think maybe I'll just do a blog right now. If you guys want to see me build something else, so just leave a comment in the, in that comment section below. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up or subscribe. I'll try to post more of these if it's beneficial. All right, so moving on. All right, so I'm just going to do a business one. I think I'm going to create one that will be tied to CDM Suite. Since it's a free website, might as well just create like a blog, right? I'll probably just post some stuff there. You can check it out. I'll put a link in the description. So I put everything in, and now here we go. Press that big submit button. Wow, my name has already been taken. So if you guys see this, I guess just go ahead and create something different. So for me, it was CDM Suite Business, right? So I may just say CDM Suite Tips, and then we can go from there. Let's submit that one. Let's see if that's the. All right, so my website has been created. It says choose your website of mass creation, right? So you could go ahead and do the website builder. I'll just let you know that if you go ahead and do this before you can go live, you'll have to pay a fee. But it's a pretty simple way. If you guys want me to go through this way, I'll do it in the next video. So let me install WordPress. Create my account. Never leave your account as admin. Change it up. Put something different, right? Because if you leave it as admin, normally 70% of accounts that get hacked is because of this. Press install. All right, so now it's going to install. As you can see, it's building it up. All right, and there you go, guys. So next step, now that your website is built on WordPress, you're going to go to your configuration page. It's going to load up. Put in the credentials that you just created. Press login. All right. And then now that you're in here, I'll just show you, right? Your site is live. So if you want to visit your site, this is how it looks. So my site is up, right? But I want it to look a bit better than this, right? I'd want it to probably have a little more life. So what I'll do, I'll go back to my dashboard, come in here to my plugins, and I'll get a little plugin called Elementor. Let it install, activate. And here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get a hello theme because it works best with it. Give my site a name, CDM Suite Tips. CDM Suite Tips. You can leave it as it was before or change it. I change it. If you have a logo, you can probably create one on Canva. It's pretty easy. If you guys want me to do a video about that, just, let me know in the description. Anything you want me to kind of go through or review, I can do that right there. All right, so you can go ahead here, or if you prefer, you can just skip it. And then you can either do a blank canvas, so you can build it from scratch, or then you can templates, right? Create a blank page, right? It's free, it's pretty, drag and drop. You guys should probably be used to this. I mean, there's so many drag and drop builders nowadays, like Wix, Squarespace, you have all of them, but this is a free way to do it. So if you want to do it that way, drag here, button, and I'll go in, create a heading, CDM Suite tips. All right, center that heading, make it large. Style, make the typography, let's make it about 90, right? Things big and bold. For the page layout here, I'm just gonna make it canvas. When I make it canvas, that just basically gets rid of the header and the footer. So it gives it this look here, kind of gives it a blank page feel, right? I am going to drop the video that you're watching right now in here. So that's kind of my first tip. And as it grows, then probably I'll add more videos. So let's go ahead. And then underneath that, I'm gonna create a button. I'm gonna link this button right to 000 web host. All right. And always put the HTTPS. Okay. And let's see how it looks on all pages. So click here to build your free website. All right. Ugly button, but let me just make a big button. It's kind of ugly, but you guys get the gist. And that's how you do it. And then all I do, I press publish. All right, so now that my page is live, I haven't changed anything. I didn't change the top. I just put in the video. I put a button here. Let's see how it looks. But did we press preview changes? And there we go. All right, so this is our page. All right, obviously this is going to be replaced when you guys watch this video, if you do watch a video, right? And this big button here will lead you right back to 000 web host. And you can go in, sign up for your free account, and set up your web page. So now one last thing before I end this video, just gonna exit page, exit to the WP dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you're gonna scroll down, go to settings. You're gonna click on reading, go to home page, click that as your home page, save changes. All right, and anytime now that you go ahead and you visit your page, it should carry you to your home page. All right, there you go, guys. Thank you for joining.